Viday in Tamil means seed. So every child is a seed for us at Project Viday. I'm so happy today that India Autism Center is here. In the year 2020, we got a child with developmental disability. We had to spend close to about 80,000 rupees by the time he got adopted. And what happens to all the children who cannot access those kind of therapy centers? So that's the day when Project Viday was born. Most of these children are not brought back by their caregivers or parents because they cannot afford or distance is too high. And most of them don't continue therapy. So then we decided that if we are running a model, that would be a therapy on wheels model. The bus, as you see here, at any point of time, 3 to 4 therapy can happen inside the vehicle, and even parents can be counseled parallelly. Till now, we have screened close to 22,000 children. About 404 children are under high risk and they are monitored by us.
So our is an early intervention project, 0 to 6 years we are focusing. When the child is completed 6 years, we're going to place the child which is available near the centers and for a school program, and also we used to like a kind of rehabilitation we are doing actually.
In this age, the brain plasticity will be more. So when a kid lacks in their language development, if we give therapy at that particular age, the improvement will be more.
Project Viday doesn't take any charges from the community, absolutely free of cost to all of them. As much as therapy is important, awareness is also important. Close to 45 children has moved out of our system to mainstream schools or into special schools. Every child is treated as a child with his own capabilities and not differentiated, and that's a world that we dream about at Project Viday. Thank you.